Oh boy. Oh, baby. Hey guys, hold on. Just calm down. Bag fell. Don't need help, just need you to wait. Yeah, it's just the bag came loose. I think we're good. We're good until we're not, as I say. This is more like Vermont now. Okay, what excursion are we on now?
Hey fellas, a bit of a local history. So these are barns, and the word for barn in Spanish is granja, but that also includes any long agricultural shed that might be a CAFO full of livestock, battery farming or anything like that. These are called teñadas, and they're peculiar to this area, and we know we're kind of in this area because it's the first one we've seen. And their characteristics are one small door, 0 windows, always single story. And they're obviously a refuge for the animals in the winter. All of this will be under snow in the winter. And most of them are ruins now, as everyone's got modern building materials and built bigger ones. But there's loads of them around, amazing. in this area that we're going to be riding over the next 2 days. We'll see them all the time.
Ass and rock, rocking ass and grass. Or shouldn't have Scottish Highland. That was my worst Sean Connery.
Bond. James Bond.
Right, in the distance, you can see a mountain range horizon. So that's due west. And when you go going Lerma on Saturday morning to Madrid, due south down the freeway. And when you do, there'll be a moment when if you're not asleep, you'll notice that you're going up and over a mountain range, and it's that one there. Almost exactly straight on where we can see, that's where the freeway goes over the top. But it won't be long before we're leaving this rolling farmland behind us, and we'll barely see any of it again until maybe Friday evening. We'll be in forest, mountains, really high ground. Cameras out, you never know, might be.
I got it going. You got this. Yeah, that's the hardest part, is because as soon as you start slipping, sliding on those logs. Attaboy. You got this, Tom. He's got his rain gear on. Are you thinking going here? I get it, dude. I said, you did that right, because you didn't slowly go down. You kind of rode down and let the front end not collapse. When I hit the front of that water, my whole front, suspension buckled. I had nothing coming out of it because it just bounced right back at me. I don't know. Correct. We're still going to the bottom.
Covert ops. Free running in neutral.
The whole way? The whole way?
Ignition off. Lights off. Okay, black ops.
Black Ops.
Mongoose was pure black ops.
Ready, Dan? It's like the Tom Asher theory. Yeah. Hey, she's blue. It's too bad she's feeling blue.
Okay, here's the van, that's the entrance to the hostel. We're going to go around the back, put the bikes in the garden, and then we'll probably walk back through the garden and up through the hotel, come out of that door.
Do you want the keys out?
Yeah, sure, we might as well. But they'll be locked in behind a locked gate.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Watch out for the cow poo.
Walk back through the garden and go into the hotel. If you want...
Oh! Uh-oh!
Oh, puta!
Oh no, don't spit it out, you baby.
Yeah, take it off.
That's what she said. Cream, more cream, more cream. Yes, I would love some. Oh, it's so great. I love it, I love it.
No, when there's hundreds of people, we just play it by the book.
There's no soft furnishings to soak up the noise in here, so 110 people must be.
No, it's acoustically awful.
So what you're saying is we need more soft furnishing.
I found a trail.